Cindy A. Lewis here, and some of you asked from the live last night, what did I get from the Vintage Diary collection? Sara's Signature collection. It's Crafter's Companion, and it's Sara Davies collection for the Vintage Diary is what it's called. So anyway, if you're new to my channel, thanks for joining. I invite you to subscribe. It's going to be a fun year this year, and I appreciate all of those that already subscribe, part of my YouTube family. And I'm just going to make this kind of quick, and I'm not on the camera because I seem to chat at you a little bit longer every day when I am. So here's my hands, and we're going to dive right into this box. So it is a beautiful collection for all kinds of paper crafting and journaling and all kinds of fun stuff. You can see it is a huge collection. I was very excited to be able to get it. So I'm just going to start pulling things out and just show you what all is in there. So the first thing that I'll show you here are these couple of things. These are all rub-on transfers. There are 4 pages, and these are all the different rub-on transfers. You have this beautiful vintage kind of like a brown maroon looking color, and then you have this silver gray color. And then you have this beautiful, these gold charms. You get 10 of them, so 2 of each, the butterflies, the bird cage, the key with the heart lock, the rose, and then this bicycle. So anyway, really cute things. So then you also get, this is a stamp, I believe, and it is the antique frame. And, well, it's actually 4 pieces. Well, let's just look at it. Let's just look inside, because I'm not sure how it's separated. Oh, it's the die too. So you get the metal dies for both pieces, and then you also get the stamps. So these are really pretty, and eager to jump into this collection, I have to tell you. Super excited about it all. All right, these are some more stamps that are the sentiments, and it's like Dear Diary, Just Because, and Friends, treasures. Anyway, friends like you are one of life's greatest treasures. So anyway, especially for you, 15 stamps here. And then there are metal dies in this kit also. I'm just going to show you, grabbing. All right, this is your page edges, which makes it look like either part of a notebook or a torn page. And you may never, ever tear a page again if you had this. So this is really cool. Get 2 dies there. Then this one is like the inkwell or the ink little pot with a quill or a feather pen. So really neat. And this is 2 pieces. And then this one is the heart lock along with the key. And this metal die is really pretty too. It's called Key to My Heart. And then you have the pocket watch. Very cute. So also you think about your steampunk art and stuff. How fun would those pieces be for that too? Then you get 8 pieces with this wooden frame set and corner. So you get 2 the corners, and you get the wooden frame. So you get 8 pieces in there. Isn't that pretty? And you can stain that or paint it. Then here is the embossing folder. It's a 3D embossing folder, and it can really make your papers look like it's got old script on it, and really cool. So we got that. Then here is another one. This is a polymer stamp set. You get 5 pieces with the letters, the books, the teacup, this script here, and then these little postage. It's like stamped postage here. So very cool with that. Next are some metal dies. These are all different tags and a flag there, a banner. So cute. You get 6 of these. And then there's more. So this is some more stamps. These are really, really cute stamps. More of the postage, the keys, the feather quill, the bird cage, just a lot of fun stuff with that. Then you also get this embossing folder, which is a whole nother one with the script, the books, and the teacup and part of that embossing. So I know you guys just want to dive in and do some fun crafting with this. So I'm going to show you this, this 6x6 page is the same, let's see, as the, did you see all these paper pads? As the 12x12. So you get a 12x12 paper pad and a 6x6 paper pad of the same papers. And there are, let's see, 48 double-sided printed sheets. And these are also 48 double-sided. So let me open this so you can see. Ooh. All right, because the 12x12 is bigger, I'm just going to open it so you can see the beautiful papers that are in here. I'm going kind of fast, but you can see how much fun can we have with this set. I mean, really beautiful, beautiful papers. And the 6x6 is also the same papers, but I thought it would be easier to see those. Then there are the luxury mixed cardstock. It's just a 24 of the pearlescent. And it's just these colors. They're just really, really pretty. And they're the pearlescent. So you have that shine on there and that reflection. So really, really pretty papers to go with that. And then there's vellum. And there are 12 single-sided sheets. And these are printed vellum sheets. And I do not want to tear these. But we'll open it up so you can see and look at these really quick. These are absolutely stunning papers. And these are all vellum. So, of course, they're see-through. Let's see. Trying to get them where they're not backwards, upside down, whatever. All right, so these are really beautiful. Let's see, there we go. And we can use them in all of the crafting that we want to do. And oh my goodness, these are just absolutely divine. So gorgeous. I know you're going to want to run out and buy this set, and I don't know how many are left. You can check on HSN. They did sell a couple of different versions of this kit. And then you can also check Crafter's Companion and see. Some of the entire set may not be available, but parts of it may be available. So I don't want to mess that up. All right. So lastly, there is ribbon. So this is cotton ribbon, and it is really pretty. So you can dye it if you want to and give it some color. See if I can open it without tearing the box. And it comes on this wooden spool, which is super cool. So there we go. So pretty. And you get 3 meters on each one. So what's that? About 12 feet on each one of those. And then jute. So we also get jute. And, meters. 3 meters. I don't know. Can somebody tell me what 3 meters is? 3 meters. This is 30 meters. So I think this is about 100. And I think this is 12 feet. That's what I'm thinking. Anyway, and then this is wax. So if you've ever done that wax seal, this is what you can do that with. So that will even add to the vintage look. So I know you can see now why I'm so excited about this kit with all the different pieces to it. The beautiful papers, the vellum, the embossing. I already have a project in mind that I want to jump into that you guys are just going to love. But anyway, that's my unboxing of this gorgeous vintage diary set. It's a signature series by Sara Davies. This is Signature Collection from Crafter's Companion. So thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and have a great night. Bye-bye.